Hey everybody, this is Heidi Rose from Oklahoma.
Hi everybody.
I've got some cousins in Oklahoma. Anyways, lovely town. Rose, tell us a little bit about your background. We're here at the EXP National Convention here for EXP Realty.
All right, well I've been with EXP now for just under a year. I came over in December. I had been at Keller Williams for 15 years, an ALC member, one of the top teams in our area, and we're as Glenn would say, super stoked. We just got our Icon Award for our stocks, and just love everything about it. So far it's been great.
Now what brought you over to EXP? I mean, you were pretty happy where you were at.
I actually wasn't even looking. Nobody had actually even come to me. I started seeing a movement happening, and I was like, what don't I know? And started looking into it, and then as I've heard many times, you can't unsee something, and I just said to myself, well, I'm either going to go find out what I don't know, and if it doesn't work, then I know, and if it doesn't, I'm either going to do it or I'm going to stop talking about it. So we did it and never looked back.
Now, you were just on a panel here at this convention giving back a little bit of your knowledge, correct?
Correct.
So you're sharing it with everybody, right?
Absolutely.
You're not holding it in for
nope.
This is what's working for me, I don't want to share it with anyone
right.
else.
Nope.
So.
Yeah, I just did the progressive agent panel with a couple others from different areas. It was phenomenal.
Okay, well, next time I'm in Oklahoma, I might have to look you up.
Great.
All right,
Thanks so
thank
much.
you.
All right. Thanks.